Some people put chocolate in as well. I think that's quite a newfangled thing. That sort of.
Yeah, well,
It's like a very dark chocolate.
Very dark. Yeah.
Sore subject. Sore subject.
Not a Snicker bar. Why is it a sore subject?
So what sent me out of Pointless? I went on Pointless. I had to name ingredients in pasta dishes and get a pointless answer.
Tom Kerridge again, wasn't it?
Tom Kerridge spaghetti bolognese. I went for chocolate because I thought, you know,
grated chocolate in there.
Wasn't.
Was it?
They just sent me out. I got 100 points on them.
Yeah.
Whatever it is.
What was it?
And I was using like the standard, you know, international standard format of year dash month dash day. So descending order of time period units. I think they're
Also, they might mean in the format where you say 23 instead of 2023.
I think they're more worried about not having the 2000 band in there, which is fair enough. I'm a big fan.
Actually,
I put all the digits of the year.
Yeah, me too. So, Alexander, though, you're correct. You did need to specify the format. And I apologise for scoffing so quickly. That was very judgmental of me.
Do you know why?
It's undeniably, unequivocally fucking hilarious. I don't think it is. An attorney for Blippi, Stephen John, sent BuzzFeed News a cease and desist letter asserting his copyright on the video. We've created an artist rendition of a scene from it below. Oh my god, oh my, no. Ugh.
If it's raining, just put a little, maybe half an eggshell out and just collect some water. I don't really
You're in
need
the mess
it.
for a second.
Yeah. Weird, you don't like being next to the toilet if there's a pitter patter of rain so much.
Starving people food, because there's all sorts of other logistical hurdles, there's all sorts of long-term issues, there's governmental hurdles, there's all sorts of different things about hunger that are complicated in different areas, and it's different. The kinds of suffering that people go through is different. But that's not what he's saying. What he's saying is you have to stop people from learning about hunger and just sort of let them empty their mind, and that if they empty their mind of knowledge enough, eventually the idea for how to cure hunger will occur to them. This next passage from that Mother Jones article.
Quite clearly says there no right turns at buses, so we're going to stay there forever because it's not going to change colour because that is not a bus.
replace the activities with less problematic ones. Okay, so what are those? You know, have some strength in your convictions, Karen. Tell me what you replaced them with.
It's a sheriff.
I thought they were like
I thought
every
a judge. I thought a magistrate was a judge.
Huh. So
a magistrate's a judge.
So Ben is once again right. Perhaps the satirical mind is more clever than ours.
Oh, you don't think he has a satirical mind?
No, I have a
satirical mind.
Yeah, he just spent 2 minutes screaming about poop.
Nothing satirical about that. What a genius. In a lab. Wow.
2 hours after they climbed that sheer cliff, they lit the fuse and the cell
green. Is that what the song is? No, heading my way. That's what I thought it was. What a twat. Absolute twat. The electric car just went like that and cut off the bus. Oh. Delightful. All we have to do is wait. Not even 2 seconds. If you like the houses here. Oh, this is going to be fun.
Not only is the bottom jaw twisted away from the top jaw, but if you notice, its front arm is actually its back leg. The back of its body is merged with a tree, and then like there's maybe 2 other sort of half-formed limbs there, and then the bottom right one, like these, I cannot exaggerate to you. Like go to Shatterzone's Substack, look at these fucking T-Rexes. These are such fucked up, janky Tyrannosauruses. Like it is offensive to me how shitty these T-Rexes look.
Yeah.
The human hands are very funny.
Yeah, the human hands on the bottom one is pretty great. I do like how in the top one, like Midjourney's almost done like a Rob Liefeld thing, where like it can't figure out the feet. So it's just
that they really believe that it is heinously bad, so bad that it should be criminal to use the wrong pronouns for something, to misgender someone.
Yeah, man, all these are millennials. Also, reminds me of my status as an elder millennial. I do not fall within that bubble.
Switch.
Oh wow!
So it's like 6 power outlets and also USB. They come as a group in HomeKit, so you can turn it all on and off, or you can break it out into 7. So you have 6 plugs and then the USBs.
Oh wow, that is killer.
Right, and so you can have different automation.
Which I played, Shot of the Century on Core 1. Oh, gosh, what a shame. Lost. Well, you'd think so. So I went along on the day it was being ripped up, and I went to the place where the shot happened, where the shot landed, and I asked them to cut out that piece of core for me to keep. Because you know how when like famous stadiums close, people like keep bits of the turf or they keep the seats and things like that as souvenirs for the fans. Well, I didn't want this piece of cork to be lost forever, so I've kept a piece of the cork about the size. How big a piece is it? I'd say it's about the size of 2 or 3 placemats, maybe a bit bigger. It's got the green and the white line right where near the ball landed. So obviously I could have it framed or kept. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it. It's sitting in my front yard at the moment, much to my wife's displeasure.
Well, it's just out in the rain. That's how it's